When the cam assembly has been removed from the housing, inspect the shaft seal arrangement. If they are damaged in any way, replace them. There are two seals operating in tandem. Simply remove them by drifting them out from inside the pump housing. Always replace both shaft seals at the same time. Clean the board in the housing using a mild abrasive before attempting to replace the seals. Cover the shaft keyway with the seal protector from the Wanner toolkit and apply a little grease to the outside to enable the seals to slide easily over the protector. You will note that the shaft protector has a taper to ensure that the seals expand in a controlled manner and are not damaged during the initial installation. Two seals operate in tandem in this application and both are identical. Carefully slide the first seal over the shaft protector. The cup side of the second seal should be half filled with grease before it is installed in a similar way to the first one. Both are then gently pushed down to meet the housing. Make sure the outside diameters of the two seals are clean and free from grease. Apply a bead of anaerobic sealant to the outside diameter of the second seal. Install the seal inserter collar over the shaft and, using a mallet, tap the tool to push the two seals into the pump housing before wiping off excess sealant. The shaft oil seals are now replaced.